Face on board a tiny metal coffin. It was assumed she'd die in space from running out of oxygen. Instead, the craft overheated. The last words she likely ever heard was a biologist saying, "Please forgive us." My ill-fated drift through the cosmos didn't end when I ran out of oxygen either. Instead, my body slowly
Give us a moment for this dog's brave mission. He went out there, experienced something on an empty mind, gained this knowledge, and in the end, they couldn't save her. They couldn't save her. Take a moment. Take a moment. Unbelievable.